Hey everyone, ever found the perfect wallpaper online only to set it on your desktop and realize it looks blurry and pixelated? Frustrating, right? Well, you are in luck today, cause in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a blurry wallpaper on Windows and get that crisp high resolution look you've been wanting. Let's jump right into it. This is why your wallpaper looks blurry. Assuming you are scrolling through Google searching for a cool new wallpaper as I'm doing right now. And then finally you find that one that looks amazing. So you just go ahead and right click on it and then click on save images. And then you save it on your desktop. You go ahead and then set the new image as your desktop background. But when you apply it, the wallpaper looks blurry and stretched. Don't worry, the issue isn't your computer, it's how you are downloading the image. Let's go ahead and then fix it. Go back to your browser and then find that wallpaper again. This time, don't right click on the image immediately. Instead, click on the image first to expand to its full resolution. Once the image is fully loaded, right click on the expanded image and then select Save Image As, and then save it to your desktop. Now go to your desktop and then find the image you just downloaded. Right click on the image and then set as desktop background. And just like that, no more blurry wallpaper. Your desktop will now display a crystal clear high resolution image. There you have it. Now you know how to fix blurry image on Windows and ensure your desktop looks amazing every time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. Your support helps me keep creating valuable content for you all. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.